Update on the TNN say Mr. Rex abeye post bi e social media. So obe posti songs na lady Afua Asantewaa no posti and also tweety there. So it was actually on Facebook. So this is what Mr. Rex Omar posted. So hi guys, it's your how I Karim. I say what me can me the trending stories. Just a demo and the demo na every social media. A lot of people are talking. Hey, now sembe na social media. If you are not aware of things that are trending now, don't worry. Me dini na every. So I'm starting off with Lady Bia a friend. Afua Asantewaa. Me sure say Martinenka. See the on one OG in your trendy will be bia. And the reason is because she says she wants to break a record, Guinness World Record. For singathon. Saying you held a bay cookathon or no the Ghana for ye 2 new pass. So she wants to project Ghanaian music with the singathon. Now this news came on social media and Uncle Bebre in Yaji cause Ufioma is a good initiative, honestly, because we've been talking a lot. And I promote Ghana, and we want to project Ghana song, but we gather as people, discuss, and we don't do anything about it. I think that this is a very good move from Afua Asantewaa. They also about even though say born one kasama we fame and other things, no, science so Ghana. As a whole, me sure say wow, news no crowd we need dear. You are eager to say 24th dear. And easy any na ye pese senior ebekon. So this story came out and a lot of people were supporting her. Man shada to say a bimu bash, most of almost 100% support from almost everybody. Until recently, Yabeti say ya president from Gamru, Rex Omar, bakope okoye interview. Our GTV na can same kakra. Just can same baby, but part be more a train for baby adwin, and that part came online and for a bash talking about it. Say 1 year dear assembly kind is as if he's not in support of lady agenda now opposite one year. Then Mr. Rex Omar all he's saying is that in your ma lady episode on to because looking at singathon now the lady has to sing like 6,000 plus songs and based on little things now and so no or be repeating poor I say what 4 hours so like so according to Mr. Rex Omar she has to come out with all the songs are all babetono plus artists needing in say so bolo I was Stone Boy and a boy, what I say. So the song and then the artist name, you have to present everything into all kind of and Uncle for say, why are you doing this? I didn't know, I didn't ever saw a fun list of the songs and the artists. Like why? What's the motive? Is it that you're not in support of what the lady wants to do? And I said then because I did where can I say a discouragement be people are not really happy about now Mr. Rex Omar. In your Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, everybody's talking about it. We'll be discussing. So obey you say, oh no, we don't know. But and there your one update by Afua Asantewaa the update about. So apparently in seminar na air course she was also listening, and I think she spoke with her team and they decided to do the needful as said by Mr. Rex. So pile list of artists and then title and everything and they sent it to Rex Omar. And then the time was any day but update on the TNN say Mr. Rex abeye post bi social media. So obe posti songs na lady Afua Asantewaa no posti and also tweety there. So it was actually on Facebook. So this is what Mr. Rex Omar posted. Congratulations, Afua Asantewaa Odum and team for doing the right thing by submitting the list of the songs you intend to use for your Guinness World Record singathon. What did I say? Just say okay. So that's what she's saying. Let me take it again, sorry. So congratulations, Afua Asantewaa Odum and team for doing the right thing by submitting the list of the songs you intend to use for your Guinness World Record Singathon project as requested by Gamru. On behalf of Gamru and myself, I wish you success for this bold initiative. In to say, and Mr. Rex ebe posti after so no so posti nyom na Afua de man no. And Afua saw the message and also be reply with the same message I say or say this is not this is supposed to be confidential. This is supposed to be a confidential document for your outfit. So why make it popular? Say this is not acceptable. And actually say she's not happy about the fact that Mr. Rex came out with list now or the man on a confidential any day between one or no. When I was say list and or the Ghana for we didn't send you. Yeah, smile say list behind so the amount just keep it to yourself and your team. Why bring it out? So the lady is not happy about it. And also about out no. Some way be as a kele joy kakra because we were in suspense. What I say, yeah, change, yeah, per se, yuma all to so betu shatawalo, so ninkophobia, you know, we are so eager, we want to know what she's coming to sing about. Now say or no what ask any message you know if she has sent you message of enyom no beto any artist name and everything and I say also the Bible on here I say okay lebu interest because we can say oh okay it's enyum no me quite the same me paint and me ha me okra the way initially me say metie no into indirect like it doesn't really sit well in kofu be draw interest now or more no cause omehu inti ordain bi no mungoti what I say inti honey them Mr. Rex wanya there so I understand if one ni feeling no she's not happy and or kind or say this is not acceptable and yes Mr. Rex you have to do the needful what I just say asem na easy pressure na craft family so yes this is what is trending on social media na say Afua versus Mr. Rex into why na we supporting no why na feel so ye ni na why na wan ye ni do you think say ebia Mr. Rex pose any cry no say okasa na Ghana for bashing into also the Babontin so that Ghanaians will know that asem na all can na he was right into or the buy say me kind and cry any na why mo say anything or the buy like is it okay like does it and I say here even though kind a lady no send them out no there's no need to bring it out here because we didn't send you we encourage say PBBT on our PBBT near the amawa just sit you somewhere and look at it. What do you think about this particular story? And before I know, so my main guy will say, Singleton ebe happen from 24th to 27th. Now you say, I can't 9 days pay. Now you the Jumedian Ashisha, so I say Ghana for na yede ye hubom na supporting because honestly, this is a very, very good initiative. Ebe boosti Ghana economy no cry and it's because obeton Ghana. Or ton yen your mouth on Yema Bibre. As a year December room, there are lots of foreigners will come here. Into Nyomno, now or bet to no Bema. Anye Bia Bakuba as Ghanaians, cry, you be maybe I will funny serious and I won't shut down, pay attention to all the lyrics. Or bet to say Neki, I won't say why. Charlie, this is a big initiative. Every project Ghana as a whole, international and I am brought together. Nayan supporting Afua. Okay, so that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Hawa Karim on Facebook, Hawa Kulu on Instagram, and Hawa Baby on TikTok. Yeah, so the names will be down there. So please kindly follow me. And don't forget, I'm your Just Queen. I'll be bringing you more trending stories. For now, it's bye-bye.